Hey, before we get into the video, make sure you go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on. We are so close to 1,000. And once we get to 1,000, we're gonna have a special announcement for this KLX right here. So go ahead, I'll wait. Go down there, push that button. Yep. Now, push the bell, and you are all set. Now, let's go ahead and get into the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It is an absolute beautiful day here in Oregon. Sunny, great temperature, and the roads are still somewhat empty. It's too nice of a day to not perform some social distancing on the bike. So that's exactly what we are going to do. First things first, we got to get some gas though. Now we're all good to go. Can't be more of a perfect day to be out riding. Whoa, was that a Harley live wire? Kind of looked like it. No engine noise. I heard that electric motor whine though. First time I've seen one of those on the road. As you can see, we are still rocking the stock exhaust. Hoping the new exhaust from Barker gets shipped out next week. Hopefully in Michigan they're able to come into work so that way they can ship out some exhaust and whatnot, but I guess we'll see what happens next week. It's supposed to end on the 13th for them, but I guess we'll be finding out shortly here. But from what I'm hearing, it'll be worth the wait. Should be interesting too to see how it changes the bike. Apparently they make good power, and apparently they're pretty loud too without the quiet core and the spark arrestor. And if you guys know me, you know I like loud. I think the FMF, for some reason 94 decibels is sticking out to me, and Barker says that the loudest their exhaust is 103 decibels. So if that's the case, it's gonna be a ripper. Is that a cop up there? Kind of looks like it. Oh, it is indeed. Gotta be careful where we're going today, because yesterday there were some cops at this location. Some of my friends were there taking photos, and yeah, the cops got called on them, which was a pretty shady move, but I can say I do miss the brap noises on downshifts. This Mustang here looks like it has the active exhaust that my Mustang did not have. Looks like it's 2018, 2019. Uh-oh. Yeah, as you can see, I still got some work to do on the tune here with the stock exhaust and the big bore. It does like to die out on me a bunch with the tune that I was running for FMF. Like we could have some fun here. Let's go ahead and check out the other side of this parking lot real quick. Urban Moto. Haha. Nothing the KLX can't handle. Yeah, it's only like 3 stairs, so. Just gravel? Nope. This is though. Yep. So while we're out here on the KLX, what are you guys doing for social distancing while we're all on lockdown in our homes? Most of you guys probably are riding, but I'm interested to hear and what other things you may be doing as well to keep yourself busy. Of course, you guys know what I've been doing. Riding, driving, having fun, the usual stuff on the channel. I'd say that those two things, there's no better way to social distance yourself than that. And I'd say it's pretty fun here, especially since like that school and a lot of roads, construction, a lot of it's kind of on hold. So that means a lot of places are open to mess around, that's for sure. When you're riding a motorcycle, you got your gloves, full gear, you're by yourself, more than 6 feet away from someone, wearing your motorcycle helmet. Well, you should be. So you got your face protection, eye protection. Hey, this road is open now. Haha. Well, this is nice. Usually that sign says road closed, but not today. It's like a little track in here. Oh, big rocks, big rocks. Might as well have some fun in here while it lasts before they start developing it. Try and work on a little bit of downshifting, getting the rear end loose here. Alright, one more lap before somebody has a hissy fit about us being in here. Let's go to the left this time. if you guys have any tips for sliding the rear end and whatnot, coming out corners, go ahead and let me know, as I am still experimenting with this a little bit. Alright, let's leave before getting in trouble. That's the thing. Have your fun, do it kind of quick, and then get on out of there. That's a fun spot while it's undeveloped. See, get out and go rip up some undeveloped housing divisions. I guess that's kind of a benefit of having a stock exhaust with the FMF. People would be hearing all sorts of brap noises. Probably, what's all that ruckus over there? Call the cops, then we'd be busted. But with the stock exhaust, you know, it's kind of quiet. Sounds like a sewing machine. Oh, come on. This is annoying. Alright, like I said, work to be done with the tune. But anyways, with the stock exhaust, you know, you're kind of quiet, running around, and you're not really bothering anybody. Kind of gets me thinking, after this next build, what build can I do that will fulfill those characteristics? I guess we'll have to wait and see. Oh my. Alright, we'll hit this other spot up here, and then I think we'll call it a video. Scout it out here real quick. Make sure they didn't put any cliff faces in here before I go ripping off of this. Nope, they did not. Alright, well, I think we're good. Oh, come on. Didn't pull the clutch in early enough. Well, lesson learned. Pull in the clutch earlier, getting on the back brake. Yet again, another example of why off-road riding can come in handy. The bike died there and the rear wheel locked up, so kind of gives you that experience. What happens when the rear wheel locks up? So if that happens on the street, you don't freak out, start moving the handlebars all over the place, and possibly go down. Getting the rear tire to spin out a little bit right there. Alright guys, well, that is going to be the end of the video today. I know I had a blast getting out, enjoying this beautiful weather, having some fun ripping the KLX. I know, not true off-road single track, but heck, sure was fun. But with that, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it. And you guys know the drill. Go down there, hit that subscribe button. get the bell on. We're only about 70 away, I think, from 1,000. And once we get there, we're going to have a pretty special announcement for this KLX. With all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one.
I'm the motherfucking greatest, yeah, I'm the greatest, bitch, my competition is no